Hi all, just a really quick video today, just giving an update on the Beko DCU7230W. It has unfortunately, I think, suffered a life-ending fault, which is basically this board here, which is a power distribution board. So, as you can see from the thickness of these tracks, we actually get quite a lot of live voltage into these, so 240 volts at the various pins that should have it. But that's as far as it goes. You can see over here we've got some slightly scabby looking bits of circuitry, and also what looks like, I don't know if that's heat or something, but something around here has been getting very hot. This capacitor and this capacitor, I've taken them out and measured them, and they are measuring 10 microfarads, but ESR on them is around 1.5%. Sorry, 1.5 ohms, which I think is okay, but anything above an ohm is a bit dodgy. I've checked a few other little bits on here, but to be honest with you, if this microcontroller has had it, or any of these surface mount items underneath here have had it, then they're going to be very difficult to replace. I think it is around here that we do have the problem, so it may be limited to this cluster of components here. But to be perfectly honest with you, I tried finding a replacement board. You can buy them new for £68 or so from Beko, or I think 54 from eSpares, but there's an 8-week lead time for this particular board. Can't find one at the moment at the time of filming this, which is back in December. Can't find one of these second hand. So the machine itself is 12 years, no it's not, the machine itself is 8 years old. We bought it in 2012. We've had a lot of service out of it over the years. It has been used twice, sometimes 3 times a day for that entire period. I think it's time to put it out to pasture. I may dismantle it to get some of the bits out of it that I can use in future projects, but for the want of this little board here, unfortunately, the machine has expired. Its time expired, and probably time for a new one. Anyway, just wanted to provide you with that update, mainly just to sort of describe just how much of a lead time there is to get this one little board, which is bizarre. All of the other components for the machine are available within sort of a matter of days. Anyway, if you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, see you soon.